a long-duration space mission, astronauts will be producing trash that will fill up in their spacecraft. The Oscar project is a critical step to reusing and repurposing everything that we launch into space. We're looking to convert that waste into useful products and commodities for long-duration missions.
The Oscar team is here at the Glenn Research Center doing drop tower testing. We want to get an idea of the difference between what happens on Earth and what might happen in a microgravity environment when we're converting trash to gases.